How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about a couple of trades I called out live inside Team Bull today, small account friendly. But before we get started, as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, let's take a look at this 5-minute chart here on QQQ. I told the team, I said, I'm watching this above 287.6, and I'm going to use 288 call options. Now, let me tell you exactly how I took this trade. I gave them the best entry possible over Bulls, but I did have a little early entry myself, and let me explain that. So you can see here off the opening 5-minute candle, we had a nice push up, okay? The buyers were pushing it up. So when we get away from this 9 EMA, what happens, we like to pull back to it before we continue on. We get a little bit overbought. So we pushed up, consolidated back to it. When I seen this candle here open, that's when I said, all right, team, I'm watching this level for orb opening range break. If you don't know what that is, I got another video that goes in depth about ORB opening range break. Anyways, I took it off this 9 EMA here at a nice increase in buying volume, as you see here. You can even pull up the 1 minute and look at that as well. I got in roughly about at this 287.4 area. Had a nice push up. I trimmed off this first push up. Contract moved really well. Keep in mind, I no longer trade 0 DTE options, which means same day expiration. I trade the next day. So on QQQ and SPY, you have multiple expirations throughout the week. On common stocks, you have expiration on Friday. But anyways, QQQ had an expiration today and one for Wednesday. So I was trading Wednesday's expiration. So I got in, had a nice push up. I trimmed half my position. The next push up at this 288.5, I believe it was, half of my remaining position. Then when it pulled back down, I set my stop loss roughly 10% in profit. I sold the remaining runners 10% profit. Very nice trade. I'm happy with the way I managed this trade. I didn't give back any profits, and it worked out well. Members make money. That's always a plus. Second trade I took, another trade I called out through live in Team Bull, is on SPY. So I told everyone my main level was 385.5 for puts. I was looking for a reject, but I said I'm going to start adding to my position at 385. So what I did, when we pushed up, I bought some puts at 385. I said, okay, if we push on up to my main level, I'll add full size, and it worked out perfectly. It pushed on up, I added my full position size, and it pushed back down. By the time we reached that 385, I was already in profits, and we broke down below it. Now let me talk about this trade for a little bit. I could have held this trade for quite a bit more profit, but what happened, I made a little bit of a mistake. I added bigger position size than I meant to at that 385.5 level, and it allowed some emotions in. So I said, okay, I'm going to get out of this trade here. I don't feel comfortable with this position size. Yes, I could have trimmed, but my instincts told me to get out of this trade. And I feel I did the right thing. Anytime you're uncomfortable, if you're nervous, if you're sweating the trade, sometimes you just got to close them out, regroup, and look for the next trade, okay? But that's the 2 trades I took today. I just want to give you all a quick recap. If you have any questions about this, always feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.